English teacher, and I'm really happy to be here to share something about the different applications of artificial intelligence into education in general and into English teaching in particular. Let me start by inviting you to answer this question. Have you ever used artificial intelligence? Probably yes. Have you ever used ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot? Think about it. Probably yes. Probably you use ChatGPT, which is really famous. Now, let me formulate a second question. Have you ever used ChatGPT to plan a lesson? Well, so today's video tutorial is about that. What you can see on the screen is ChatGPT. And I need to plan a lesson for my beginners who are 10 years old. They are learning to present themselves, to introduce themselves by using verb be and utilizing vocabulary about personal information such as names, age, etc. So remember that one important aspect that will facilitate our communication with this artificial intelligence application is the good use of prompts. So we need to take into account the role, the task, the context, the format, and additional details. I have already structured the prompt I'm going to use to tell this artificial intelligence application to plan a lesson for my 10-year-olds who are engaged or who are about to engage in a communicative task to introduce themselves by using verb be and specific vocabulary. Here you are. So, what you can see at the top is the prompt. You can take a look at it. I have already expressed my need, and the algorithm starts presenting the title, the objective of the task, and it essentially follows what I have asked for. Some materials I may need, and the steps. Step number one, as usual, we have the warm up, then the team based role play. So it gives me some instructions how to set up students, etc. And finally, the wrap up. Of course, I'm free to adapt this and even to copy this and edit it somewhere else. There are other AI tools that may help us plan a lesson. Gemini from Google. I'm going to use the same prompt, and Gemini automatically starts preparing the lesson for me. As you may notice, the format is very similar, has objectives, materials, and it produces a procedure, warm up, presentation, vocabulary building, teamwork and role play, and the wrap up. Some scaffolding is offered by this algorithm. How could we help students prepare or be better equipped to carry out this task? We can copy this and edit it. Remember that AI gives us suggestions, recommendations based on algorithms that use a lot of data. So it's up to us to decide if this is what we need or if some modifications are necessary. Finally, let me show you one tool that I really like, which is called Copilot. Copilot is a tool that is built in all computers with Windows operating systems. And it's free if you have a Hotmail account or available if you have a Hotmail account. So I can use this tool as well to produce a lesson plan. So there are different options, different AI tools, AI alternatives for us to explore and to decide which one can give us the best recommendations. Recommendations, let me insist with this word, recommendations, suggestions, so that we can make the final and especially important informed decision about what lesson plan we should implement. Thank you very much.